Hi guys, so today what we're going to be doing is getting ready for a Broadway show. What I'm going to do is get some witch hazel. Please never mind the bottle, because the bottle has been through a lot of steam in the shower. So okay, so now what I do is I just take all the dirt off from my face. And even though you might clean your face and you might think, oh, I have no dirt, you always have dirt on your face. So make sure you have nothing. That's what I get for having cheap makeup pads. Now that we got that done, using my Clarins moisturizer, this is what I do. I'm going to be using my Little Things pouch. It's probably famous on this channel already. I just love the bag. So I'm going to use my Bliss Accent Lighting Stick. It's like a highlighter. And what I like to do with this is put it on the tip of my nose, and then on the bridge of my nose, and then just rub it in. My Stila convertible color. I love this, and it comes with different shades. My favorite is Petunia, which is this one. So I just put that a little bit under the highlighter so it can look nice and flush. I rub it here too because I like the look of like sunburn. I don't know, I like when I look sunburn. Not everyone does, but that was a thing, right? That was a thing recently. Before we start, I'm going to be using my e.l.f. pencil, so we're gonna use that, and I'm gonna make an eyeline. I usually start from the middle and then just drag it. So I start from the middle like this, drag it, and then go to the corner of the bottom and then connect it. I think I did it a little wrong because I'm using the camera, and yeah, and then just bring it down to make a little cat eyeline, and then put some on your waterline, your lash line, on the inside. If you have dark eyes, this will make your eyes lighter. So close that up. Now that that's done, I have the eyeliner, you can see, so that creates pizzazz. I usually like to keep the lips natural if I'm doing like a lot of like things up here, and then just keep it dramatic up here and neutral down here. Sometimes I do both, so I think I'm gonna do, I'm really confused right now. I'm so confused. Actually, I'm gonna be doing Stila. I love Stila. I'm gonna be doing this eye gel, glitter and glow liquid eyeshadow. I'm kind of afraid actually. So let's try and see. So be very careful. It's my first time trying this. If anyone else has tried this, fill me in. How do I do this? Okay. Okay. There we go. Oh. I want to do something on the corner. On the corner. This brush is kind of tricky, but it's nice. So yes, just let that dry a little bit, a little pizzazz up here, you know what I'm saying? So now the next eye. It's really pretty. Okay, I need to look. I'm trying to do it on the eye fold, like the crease. Do it there, and then it automatically does the top and bottom, if you get what I'm saying. So when I pass it along my eyelid crease, it automatically fills in the top and the bottom, so you have to be very careful where you put it. So I would recommend doing the crease. I'm not a pro at this. I'm just telling you what I just did. It's my first time using this. Again, the Stila liquid eyeliner, liquid eyeshadow, sorry. Yeah. So that's that. For my eyes, let it dry a little bit. I'm gonna keep it natural with the Sephora lip gloss. This is a lip gloss, right? Upside down. Colorful gloss balm. Sorry, I can't say lip gloss because some people will get offended. Colorful lip balm. So we're gonna use this on our lips. I'm not really gonna put anything else on. Blot it off with some tissue. So it won't be too glossy. And then that's it. Any bronzer or anything like that. I don't do any highlighter, like bronzer or anything like that to make my cheeks look sunken. Alright, so now what we're gonna do is do our lashes. So now for the mascara, we're gonna use this Lancome Idol mascara. So we're gonna use this. My first time using this, so really excited. Okay. So yeah, so I just feel as women, we need to make time for ourselves, whether that's waking up. Oh, I love the wand, it's curved. And my hair is not done, so this is my hair right now. I am probably gonna do something to it because it just looks like it's all over the place. I'm probably gonna flat iron it and I'll be right back. My hair now, I did it after my makeup, so I'm gonna be using, I'm gonna be using L'Oreal Ever Pure. We're gonna be using Ever Pure Weightless Blow Dry Primer, and I put this on my hair so it won't burn it because my hair's just not doing well. So let's get into it. And this is a very good place for my video. So now it's time to take out my hair and see. I'm sorry about the noise outside. It's really noisy. They're constructing or reconstructing the street, so it's really not ideal for this video. My finished product, hair. Sorry guys, I messed up my earring. I knocked out my earring. So this is still a little frizzy. Doesn't really happen when my hair is like really clean, but this part is like, I need more curls. So if you need more curls, I would use a curling iron. But this is the finished product, and then I just go out like this. So that's my hair. If I want a little less frizz, I'll probably go over it again with the blow dryer over here because it's still kind of frizzy, but I could use some of Rene Couture 500, and I just spray it on my hand. There we go. One spray is enough. I feel like my hair is like so oily because I've been using the castor oil, but I have to. It's not an option. But when it's really healthy and it doesn't have castor oil in it, it's really good. It's like I can run my fingers through my hair, but right now it's just not doing it. So this is the finished look for today. Side look, and voila. That's my look, and that's my beauty, my hair, and my frizz. My frizz. And these are my eyes. I think I need to touch it up, put a little bit more over here because this is a lot right here. So this is my outfit, wearing jeans from Zara and a shirt from the Gap. I really like this. It's like a sweetheart neckline. It's really cute. I like it. I like the contrast because I'm like really covered down here and something is showing here, but not too much. In the hair, I have my vinyl headband. Just decided to add a little bit more pizzazz to my eyes because it went away a little bit throughout the day. And I'm wearing this shirt and this headband, this vinyl headband. I really like it. So this is my look to go see the Moulin Rouge. Moulin Rouge. We're gonna go see Moulin Rouge. See you in a bit.